Here is the FiveStar Omni Directional HD TV outdoor antenna. I'm going to show you what this looks like here. Real easy to put together now. I'm just using a temporary setup, and I don't have this pushed up all the way here. I don't have power outside, so my powered unit is inside, but these are really easy to put on. As you can see, you just basically, these are already in there. You just unscrew these, all of them, and then you just put these wings up there. And then you face this direction right here towards the satellite, which is pretty close. Now this does pretty good inside. I have one of their other antennas that they sent me, and it got 74 channels. This one got 54. Now I tried inside just like this to see how many channels I got, and I got 24, but they weren't showing up that good. I wanted to see if I could do it from inside, so I had to move it outside. This is how far it is off the ground. You want it as high as possible, but right here I've got 54 channels and they look really good. All right, so I'm on live TV right now. These all look really good. So lots of channels you can get. We go to local channel here. Looks really good. It's coming in good, no problems. See what else we can get on here, but it looks really good. HD TV. It's hooked up, power. And I'll show you in the back what I did. Like I said, 54 channels, and then on the back, these are always so hard to put in. I don't know if you can see right there, but I've got the power unit right there. But look, I just hooked it into the top right there for power, instead of using the AC adapter. Overall, really good looking. If you need TV, easy. I don't even have it like perfectly focused onto the satellite. I think this is the way to go if you want free TV, or if your cable goes out, or if your internet goes out. This is a great backup. I'm gonna take this to my RV to use. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.